Scrum theory, empiricism and lean thinking. Scrum theory. Scrum is founded on empiricism and lean thinking. Empiricism asserts that knowledge comes from experience and making decisions based on what is observed. Lean thinking reduces waste and focuses on the essentials. Scrum employs an iterative, incremental approach to optimize predictability and to control risk. Scrum engages groups of people who collectively have all the skills and expertise to do the work and share or acquire such skills as needed. Scrum combines 4 formal events for inspection and adaptation within a containing event, the sprint. These events work because they implement the empirical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Incremental and iterative. Iterative development involves revisiting a previously worked-on process using feedback to make it better with each cycle. Incremental delivery involves delivering piece by piece, realizing value with each delivery. Neither is all good alone. Iterative development without incremental delivery delays the realization of value. Incremental delivery without iterative development eliminates the feedback loops needed to get it right. In combination, iterative and incremental are fantastic. Empiricism means working in a fact-based, experience-based and evidence-based manner. Scrum implements an empirical process where progress is based on observations of reality, not fictitious plans. Scrum also places great emphasis on mindset and cultural shift to achieve business and organizational agility. When the Scrum values are embodied by the Scrum team and the people they work with, the empirical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation come to life, building trust. Empiricism in Scrum. Scrum combines 4 formal events for inspection and adaptation within a containing event, the sprint. These events work because they implement the empirical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Adaptation. Adaptation is best enabled by self-management. Transparency. Transparency enables inspection. Inspection without transparency is misleading and wasteful. Inspection. Inspection enables adaptation. Inspection without adaptation is considered pointless. Empiricism in Scrum. Transparency. The process and work must be visible to Scrum team and stakeholders. The perceived state of the 3 formal artifacts inform decisions. Low transparency can lead to decisions that diminish value and increase risk. Inspection. Artifacts and progress toward agreed goals must be inspected frequently and diligently to detect potentially undesirable variances or problems. To help with inspection, Scrum provides cadence in the form of its 5 events. Adaptation. Deviation outside acceptable limits for either the process or the product must be corrected. Adjustment must be made as soon as possible to minimize further deviation. Adaptation should occur as soon as anything new is learned through inspection. Lean thinking. Lean thinking encourages us to reduce waste and focus on the essentials of the work we are doing and to continuously improve our processes to achieve this. It encourages us to focus on value, for example, by specifically identifying value in the goals and items to be addressed in product and sprint backlogs. Flow, for example, by ensuring that value, creating steps occur in tight sequence from backlog item to delivered increment. Pull, for example, through the pull of the most valuable items from backlog just in time to be converted into valuable product. Let us reflect for a moment. What are the benefits of using an iterative and incremental approach that embraces empiricism and lean thinking? What elements might be easy to apply in your organization? What might be more challenging, and how might you address those challenges?